the rain, saved by the pain, ain't but a thing.
Hi everyone, so me, Dean and Jez, and we are about to do another stupid ride. We're starting at Stevenage, the normal place where we started on the 120-mile ride, and the plan is to get to Milton Keynes, which by car is about 40 miles, but for us could be longer. Yeah. So fast chargers, Sherman S is all the way. Let's see what happens.
Myself to add cheese to the picture. A smile go far, self-grace is worth a million miles. Little change the bit, came a little up. By the time they want the price, the name that went up. Still got work to do, I'm trying daily. Cause don't end up and leave, but I can take it. By now all my demons know I'm praying. By now all my haters know I'm staying. Stack it, flip it, yeah, you know the plan. Feel like I been gave another chance. And it ain't wasted on gambles. Cause I knew I would be this 5 cents in Pampers. They say that he won't put nothing on, you can't handle. So I just see a few more ships on my map. I'm gonna need something else to burn, daddy, and I got nowhere to turn. I'm about to be jumping the curb. Not in the mix, but don't act like you ain't heard. I pass to your word, we're for the hurt. Cause I trained myself to find the center on nights I went no heated winter. Introspection peace when you let nothing out with inner ease. When you go without for dinner, and I wasn't even a teen yet. I learned that from my G stretch. I'm moderating not more cause I'm eating. Yes, I tolerate lactose with the cheese in. The pace is present, live in the future now, can't waste a second. Gotta eat beast when I lack protein. Clean drip, we don't even need chlorine. Stem from the dirt and your knees folks green. I could teach them best, it ain't no situation you can't finesse. Keep your head high, learn what you worth with taste. Serve 24 until you in your round of rest. Now thanks for eating Southern Cafe, here's the check.
She was riding and she had those big noise cancelling headphones on. I'm like, are you serious? If I was a fucking car, I wouldn't look. And that's the only thing with this. I love it, but like it takes a little bit to you know.
Look, I'm a rock star in real life. We was doing Grand Theft Autos, hitting licks, home invasions. It was a good night. Take the goods to the plug, then he bring us back by 2K. Feeling like a baller, see the Jordan on my shoelace. Nuketown, stepping off buses, hopping on fences. Call of Duty, me and my we in the trenches. Camping at the crib, playing true crime LA. Santa Dre's nice, bumping Ice Cubes, good days. Such a 90s baby though. If we grind it, then we grind it. Man, I feel like Tony Hawk. And my homies got the iron, man, they feel like Tony Stark. And you better watch your head, cause it get wicked up the door. Feeling like Kobe back in his prime. If we talking about the numbers, then I probably go LeBron. I'm a lion out the jungle, at the top I'm like the Dons. This my life, it ain't a movie, I won't be at Comic-Con. Look, big shit poppin', grinding like ain't no option. Throwing that sister all my homies. Got feel like John Stockton every week.
Right, so we've done Stevenage. We've done Hitchin, we've now Fairfield, I want to say the back of Letchworth now, on the way to Henlow, yeah, and then who knows where. Mate, let's go, man. Take us where it takes.
To the bucks, but I ain't had 50 cents. Now my statement's in the plus. The brakes I hit the thrust. Garden stakes I leave them cut. Ask about me in my city. Must know what's up, but some of these days I get too stuck in no ways. Blame it how I was raised. Hush, get it displayed.
Yeah. So here we go, we've got back of Fairlands and signs to Arlesey and Henlow, so that's the next stop. And yeah, hopefully from Henlow we should be able to get to Woburn, which then takes us to Milton Keynes. There you go.
Bands jumping up the bag, vibe blowing on my jack, got the loud jumping up the bag. Everything I want to slide. Everything I do is fuck. Got the bands jumping out the bag. Another milestone, look at that. Paper boy on my paper route till I'm 6 down on my back. I'm an old soul like my dad. My old girl still a fan. The yo girl at the live show, so don't act like I ain't the man. I'm kicking my beat up, get frank like Aretha. I'm calm, but I'm teed up, just flip me a stack. The re-up just doubled up off of the muscle, I stuck to the task. They see me, I'm troubled, I'm bubbling up to the stuck, and they want me to stay where I'm at. I'm good everywhere that I'm stepping, my presence.
Cycle path on that side by the looks of it. Yeah. Yeah, well, Arlesey Station, so I assume we just carry on the way we're going.
Cycle on both sides, isn't it?
Yeah, but it goes from cycle to small path though. Here's us fucking waiting. Jens is just like, well, I know. I don't know what's going on. I mean, why would he do that to us?
He's done us like a kipper.
Let's go around. Oh, there's another big cycle park up that way as well.
Got the loud jumping out the bag. Everything I'm on slap. Everything I do is got the Benz jumping out the bag. Vibe blowing on my jack. Got the loud jumping out the bag. Everything I'm on slap. Everything I do is got the Benz jumping out the bag. Vibe blowing on my jack. Everything I'm on slap. Everything I do is
Right, so we've made it through Henlow. We're now heading to Ampthill. Cruise here. And I'm at 87%. We've done 23 miles. And we're heading in the right direction. Ampthill is on the way to Woburn. Because I remember going through there, the other side of Ampthill is Woburn.
Front and your back, be careful who you hugging, you dab. Cause these niggas ain't your brother like that. Don't really love you like that. From the land of snakes, trying to be a great. Trusting everybody that I love, that was my mistake. Turn me cold.
Here you go, look, cool as a fucking cucumber. Just like, yeah man, just me and my fucking unicycle.
It takes him 10 minutes to lift the seat, doesn't it? It's like,
He just wanted to look fucking cool across that road, man.
In and out lane switch, they trying to earn cheese off a K, but they ain't Swiss.
Out in the summer, the winter don't stand no chances. Out in the summer, yeah. Out in the summer, the winter don't stand no chances.
She like me, she might be what I need. She get spicy, want tasters, come by me, yeah. I'm icy, way too icy. I get paper, on big screen, I'm spiky. I'm vibey, just vibey. Too wavy, I can tell they wanna get like me, yeah. I'm vibey, just vibey. Too wavy.
You're paying a lot for their good stuff, yeah. But I kind of feel like you're behind some.
Just stopped for a drink. We are 25 miles in. We reckon only about another 15 or so miles to Milton Keynes. We're just outside of Ampthill, and I've got 83% left on the Sherman S. We've got the guys here. Stopped for a bit in the shade because it's about 25, 26 outside.
Yeah, it's a bit kinky, doesn't it?
And yeah. And then it's just a matter of finding somewhere, like centre Milton Keynes is the aim. Find somewhere to charge, chuck a bit of charge in the car, and away we go.
Yeah.
You stuck with me, I'm coming in clutch for me. Get with it, they get lost, ain't nobody touching me, yeah. She like me, she might be what I need. She get spicy, want tasters, come by me, yeah. I'm icy, way too icy. I get paper, on big screen, I'm spiky.
Out in the forest, we don't know where we're going. We're heading to Morden, but Dean said that, so anytime Dean says something, we disbelieve him first, and then when it's right we go, well done Dean. We did try to kill me, yeah. And I'll ever be grateful for that flash of moment before my eyes that wasn't even interested.
Too icy, I get paper, on big screen, I'm spiky. I'm vibey, just vibey. Too wavy, I can tell they wanna get like me, yeah. I'm vibing, just vibing, too wavy. I'ma get like you.
Raised by the rain, saved by the pain, ain't but a thing.
Yep. Yeah.
Save the camera! I'll wait here for you to get up.
Just gonna give me a minute.
Come on, Chase, you got to see this. Did you go in the valley?
I tried not to. Yeah, and pedal clipped and went down in the middle.
What side was it, left or right?
Left. But
Jez, we'll take you right. If I fall off, it's a gamble for you.
Well, these are the sort of questions you want to have. You know what I mean? You're going to have them, this is the ones you want to have. Any person going to think to yourself, feel good. You know what I mean? No cars, no children.
right.
I saw his head disappear going down. And then he completely vanished on me all of a sudden, and I saw him laying.
Then he went, oh no, it was sand. There's a bit of sand at the bottom, by the way.
Oh yeah, here we go.
There you go.
All good. All good.
Yeah, man. So, after a little jaunt through a forest, down a big hill, off a big hill, in between a big hill, Forza, yeah.
Rockstar in real life, we was doing Grand Theft Autos, hitting licks, home invasions, it was a good night. Take the goods to the plug, then he bring us back about 2K. Feeling like a baller, see the Jordan on my shoelace. Nuketown, stepping off buses, hopping on fences. Call of Duty, me and my we in the trenches. Camping at the crib, playing true crime LA. Center dreads nice, bumping Ice Cubes, good days.
Right, so we have made it to Ampthill, and we're now dodged the Ampthill mob and we're on the way to Ridgemont, which should be a very close connection to Milton Keynes, because Milton Keynes have cycle routes leading right away out to some of the little villages. So we have made good timing. I think what are we on, about 30 miles? 33 miles, and yeah, doing really good so far. I mean, a little jaunt through a forest, which was fun. Had a little tumble, little senior tumble. Roban next. No.
Yeah, yo, he was getting to the bucks, but I ain't had 50 cents. Now my statement's in the plus. The brakes, I hit the thrust. Garden snakes, I leave them cut. Ask about me in my city, cause know what's up, but
some of these days I get too stuck in the ways. Limit how I was raised, so she get it displayed.
Just penetrate. Welcome. I know, right? Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Jurassic Park. That's what they got.
Got the band jumping out the bag. Vibe blowing on my jack. Got the loud jumping out the pack. Everything we want slide. The re-up just doubled up off of the muscle. I stuck to the task. They see me, I'm troubled. I'm bubbling up till it's stuck, and they want me to stay where I'm at. I'm good everywhere that I'm stepping. My presence is crucial. You know that this shit not no trend. On a big wave, I'm controlling the tide. Snake eyes when you rolling the dice. So with the stakes inside, I could never take another nigga advice. They can't reach the sky, I'm aiming up high, I just wanna know what it's like. Y'all know what it's like, I come from outside of this. Out the quicksand, I'm the big man, doing big things, cop a big change, up a state lines, doing stage dives on cam. It ain't no limit to my vision. Check the tip, I'm on fire with it. Got the bands jumping out the bag, Prosecco on ice. Nobody nice. Run up a check, demand my respect. Doing the most, I never quit. They want me to quit. I'm good as it comes.
So, right, we made it to Milton Keynes. 50, how many were up? 58 miles?
Well, it's
52.9. 52.9.
52.9 miles, Stevenage to Milton Keynes, we made it. We're now thinking about heading back, drinks, food, charging. None of which we can sort out at the moment. But we did meet a very cool little 9-year-old dude and his family. Been learning 5 days on a 9-bot.
9-bot.
And killing it. So that just was the perfect thing to be greeted from. So yeah, we're not going to record on the way back.
It get hotter in the summer, yeah. Hotter in the summer. The winter don't stand no chances. Hotter in the summer, yeah. Hotter in the summer. The winter don't stand no chances. Hotter in the summer.
Front and your back, be careful who you hugging, you dab. Cause these niggas ain't your brother like that, don't really love you like that. From the land of snakes, trying to be a great. Trusting everybody that I love, that was my mistake. Turn me cold-hearted to a savage. If you fuck me over, I ain't giving out passes. Doing big shit, we ain't doing nothing average. Hotter in the summer if you ask.
It get hotter in the summer, yeah. Hotter in the summer. The winter don't stand no chances. Hotter in the summer.
Went from wearing Chuck Taylor to Balenciaga. Sweaty think I'm rubbing on the genie bottle. Giving nada, saying nada, I'm just pushing product. I made my waves in the winter, now my summer hotter.
Gotta catch up.
Move too swift for all the lame shit. You asking for a favor, how I know we ain't the same, bitch. Watch how I in and out lane switch. They trying to earn cheese off a cake, but they ain't.